Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Marketplace isn't available to you. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and now let's get into it. So first you might want to take a look at this. To help protect the Marketplace community from scams, accounts that have been created recently can't use Marketplace. So if you recently created your account, you might want to wait for a few weeks to a month at least for Marketplace to be available to you. Also, Marketplace may not be available to all regions, so you want to make sure of that too. And as you can see in my case, I can access it just fine. Now, if that's not the case, then you want to make sure that you have the most updated version of the Facebook app. To do that, open up the Play Store, then press onto search underneath, and then press onto the search box above and type in Facebook and press enter. Once the app appears from the results, give it a tap, and then if you see this button saying update, then tap on it. And wait for the app to download the most updated version. And that should fix the problem. If not, then it could be because Facebook thinks you're a minor. So what to do in this case, you want to open up the app again, then go to the menu by pressing onto the three lines in the top right hand corner. And then go down here and press onto settings and privacy. Then press onto settings. Then press onto Meta Accounts Center. Then scroll down and press onto personal details. Here you're gonna see your contact information and your birthday. So you want to make sure that your age is above 18. If not, then you gotta edit it. And that should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next one.